Alright, so we are on our way to the airport. At syempre yung pilot namin, wala iba kundi si Errol dyan. Oh, yes.
Ito, pilot.
We're flying tonight to Cancun for the second time. And abangan nyo yung mga vlogs natin doon. Ako yan, si Bosa nasa harapan. Hello. Si Mami, si Love, yan o. Okay.
Baka dyan?
Thank you, James.
Ay, ingat po kayo.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thanks. Bye-bye. Yahoo!
Ingat po kayo.
Dito na lang kami sa airport. Oh.
Video po. Vlog.
Parang may kilala.
Yeah, we're waiting for the train going to Terminal 3.
Ako isa kong kalayin sa ulit-ulit natin. Sige, one at a time lang iisipin natin.
Right.
Ito. Kaya ako
Sa tayo ba? GMA? GMA?
Yemi Kapuso.
Bebe.
Yeah, omelette is good. L'omelette.
One, two, three. What do we have? What's that? Beef and the other one? Chicken?
Maybe it's some butter chicken. Kare-kare.
Ante.
Oh my. Pero masarap din. Pero not bad din, 61,000. Sarap. Kung talagang kung matagal din talaga.
Love.
Pero kukuha pa ako.
Nakadami ka lang beef ah.
Cheese slice. The steak queen. Boundary na.
Alam mo isa? Alam din mag-isa. Hindi na kailangan mo.
Tinakpan niya.
Is the front seat. Nagtago si Bunso. Sama ko si Heidi at Dave dito sa airplane.
Welcome to Cancun.
Thank you. Enjoy kayong dalawa mag-asawa.
Welcome to Cancun! Eto, hinahanap namin yung shuttle service namin. Ano nakapangalan doon sa ano roll nila?
Which company? Expedia.
Oh, over there. Thank you. Gracias. Yes, we got it. Woo.
Okay, family, you're 9 in total?
Correct.
Perfect. It's a private transportation. Let me ask you private. Please wait over there, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Who's this? Yes, we're now loading our luggages. Gracias. Yes. This is it. We're going to the hotel now.
Sige, kayo muna. Huli-huli na.
Two at the front? Okay. Perfect.
Grand Rio ata. May lahiya pala dito dati. Uy, nila. Wow. Yan, Cancun, ang pinagkakaguluhan na Cancun.
Philippines.
Ito pala Isla Mujer. Ito lang, ano yun? Hacienda Sisal. Occidental. Playa Marine. Wow. Doon kayo lab? Ayaw kay Ate Alice. Rate ngayon, 19. Matataas ng exchange rate dito. Oops, wait.
Yes, we finally arrived here at Grand Park Royal Luxury Hotel in Cancun, Mexico. We can stay here for the next 5 days. All inclusive, eat all you can and drink all you can. Yan, dito po yan sa Cancun, Mexico.
Dapat may ano to, team ano na to, timba.
Timba.
Yan, alright. Thank you very much. Please stay tuned for some interesting vlogs here in Cancun on Pinoy Can TV in Cancun, Mexico. Bye for now. See you later. Thank you very much for watching.
Hola. Is everybody staying here?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about the procedure of the check-in. You gonna make sure your baggage are here. Is that all carry-on? It's like a full baggage like that one? We can number your account if you want with the baggage.